Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication issues. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the correct Facebook app and update it from the App Store or Google Play if an update is available. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block login codes. Check the date and time settings on your phone and set them to automatic to avoid code mismatches. If you use an Authenticator app, open it and confirm the Facebook code is changing every 30 seconds. If the Authenticator codes look frozen, update the Authenticator app and restart it. Try generating a new login code by tapping "Try another way" on the Facebook verification screen. Select Authentication app again and enter the newest code shown, not an older one. If SMS codes are not arriving, disable airplane mode and make sure you can receive normal text messages. Check that your phone number is correct on Facebook by logging in on a previously trusted device if possible. If you can access your Facebook account somewhere else, go to Settings and turn two-factor authentication off and on again. When turning it back on, choose the method you can reliably access, like an Authenticator app or security key. If you lost access to your Authenticator, choose Recovery Codes if you save them and enter one in used code. If you have a trusted device, approve the login request from the notification instead of entering a code. Clear the Facebook app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, then clear cache. On iPhone, offload or reinstall the Facebook app to refresh its stored data. Open a browser and try logging in at Facebook.com to see if the issue is only in the app. If the browser works, log out of the app and log back in after reinstalling the app. If you see an error about suspicious activity, complete the identity checks and confirm your email and phone number. Go to Facebook.com/login/identify and follow the steps to recover your account if you cannot pass 2FA. Use the Need Another Way to Authenticate option and choose email verification if it appears. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Facebook security messages and enter the code quickly. If your account is connected to Meta Account Center, manage 2FA there and confirm the correct profile is selected. Remove old or unused phone numbers from your account to prevent codes being sent to the wrong device. Avoid using VPNs or unusual networks during login because they can trigger extra security blocks. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again if you entered too many incorrect codes and got temporarily blocked. After you regain access, save new recovery codes and store them in a safe offline place. Finally, test your 2FA once more by logging out and logging in again to confirm everything works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.